morning and happy Vlogmas Day 15. I can't believe we're here. Once we get in the 20s though, it's gonna really hit me and be like, wow, we made it. We're still like in the halfway point though. I am on day 8 of our advent calendar. They have 2 5s. 5 and 5. That was a mistake, but whatever. Okay, I'm assuming this is day 8. I wonder if they caught that yet, or if I'm just like the lonesome advent calendar with the typo. Probably not. Oh my gosh, I like this stuff, like the really dainty earrings. These are so nice. I love these. I wish I had like more holes in my ear. I only have 2. I feel like 3 would be really fun. I might want to even add that to my New Year to do. I'm just so scared of needles and it freaks me out. I feel like the higher you go on your ear too, like the cartilage is harder, so it'll hurt. But I did my second ones 2021. I think I took a Xanax before, so I don't know if I felt it or not, but these are really cute. I feel like these would be like really good stacking earrings if you do have multiple holes. So maybe I should do that. I've always wanted like lots of holes in my ear. I think they just look so cool, especially with like really small dainty pieces, and you can like make them super cute. But anyway, I am actually headed out to Hot Pilates with my friend Haley. She and I are gonna get some coffee. We're gonna have a girls' day. She invited me to her super fancy gym and we are going to do Hot Pilates. I've been in Pilates since before giving birth. I know that Pilates is a big core workout. I feel like my core is really strong. I don't think it'll ever be exactly where it obviously was pre-pregnancy, but I'm more of like a yoga gal. So I'm curious to know, like, first of all, how long is this Pilates class? Because if it's an hour, are we just doing like core for an hour? I don't know. But I've heard it's like super intense, and I know this was like the year of Pilates, like hot girl Pilates, so it just feels right to end the year with some Pilates. I haven't done any, and it's heated, so I'm used to heated yoga, but I feel like yoga is a little bit more of a slower pace, so we'll see. And I don't know, like in Pilates, can you just go to like child's pose when you're not feeling good? I know yoga is like very acceptive of just how you're feeling. Like you're really just in tune with your body, you're moving, you can do whatever you want. You can literally lay there the whole class and you wouldn't be judged. In fact, you'll probably be looked at like, she's in tune with herself. Pilates, on the other hand, can you do that? Is that acceptable to be like, oh my god, I can't breathe, like give me a minute? I don't know. So I'm gonna do that this morning. I've got to get ready. I just took a shower before Hot Pilates. I know that's crazy, but I get it in when I can during Vlogmas. I want to feel good, fresh and clean. Probably straighten my hair, put on a little bit of like foundation, and then have myself a little girl day with my friend Haley. It was like yoga with weights. Lots of planking, lots of pulses, movement that's like fast but with weights. That was tough. It was tough. She started the class and she's like, we're gonna start off a little tougher. And then as we were leaving class, I told my friend Haley, like, you were trying to kill me. Like, you were actually trying to kill me. All the people when they were leaving, who I guess are regulars, were like, that was a tough one today. That was a tough one. So I'm like, what a great way to start my Pilates journey. Straight off the bat, like, hardest class, but it was nice. I feel good. I just feel so sore on my legs, and like I couldn't do half of the arm movements. Like the weakest part of my body I thought was gonna be my core, but my core is pretty strong. My arms are just like, they've never been very strong. I like have to like hit them like this in the middle of class, and I do that with yoga, just with body weight. Like if I do planks and stuff, it's not my abs or back or anything that's hurting, it's literally my shoulders. Like this area on me, I need to work on next year, because even though I'm carrying like 2 30-pound boys basically, I feel like I would be stronger. And maybe I am a little bit stronger. I'm not giving myself enough credit, because I used to be like really weak on my arms. But you guys saw on my Hume Health scale, my left arm is like high % body fat, I think, which just means you have like no muscle. Like you can be thin. I've always had like SpongeBob arms is what people always tell me. Even if it's high body fat, it just means that there's no muscle tone in there. So yeah, I need to work on it. It's like a huge goal of mine, work on my body comp next year. There's just so many like things that we can do to help your body get stronger. There's like the trackers, fitness trackers, there's the scale, the body comp scale. It's just all really cool stuff and it's fun to play with. Also, I feel bad saying this because they gave me a whole bunch of energy drinks, but I'm not a huge fan of this energy drink. I like took a sip and I'm like, I don't even want to drink it. It's not good. Yesterday I opened one and didn't drink it, but it was a pineapple one, and then they've got like a ginger lime, but I don't know, it's just like tastes like a watered down tea. Like it's just not, I don't know, it doesn't taste very good. So I think I'm gonna stick to my Celsius. I feel like tonight I want to make Crunchwrap Supremes with Xander. We do like a healthy version of the Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. I feel like working out and burning all those calories, I'm gonna definitely be hungry. That's always fun to make and it's really good. I'll show you guys the recipe. I've got to run to Target. I'm gonna get some tissue paper for the gift bags that I wrapped yesterday. I just don't have tissue paper, and the tissue paper on Amazon isn't gonna come until like I think after Christmas. So I'm just gonna run to Target. I think I'm gonna look at the planners there because I do want to do a New Year plan with me here shortly, but I want to find a planner first. So I don't know if I should go to Barnes & Noble for that. I might go to Barnes & Noble and find just like a simple plan. I want a simple planner, and I want like a journal that just has lined paper, like the really cheap one, just for like brain dumps and stuff. And I think I might bring the boys. We gotta get out of the house. But it was nice with my friend Haley. Like it's just so nice to catch up, and yeah. We did like a little walk before. I got a little dose of wellness this morning, which was nice. Also, I was showing Haley, she was telling me how Timmy looks like just like me, and I was like, oh, just wait till you see these pictures of my dad when he was a baby and tell me this is not Timmy. Doesn't that look just like him? And he's named after my dad. Like his middle name is my dad's name. Oh my god, like replica. Look, isn't that Timmy? It's crazy. Let's go in here. Daddy, look at all this stuff. This is my favorite scent ever.
No,
Canvas. Smell it, smell it, smell it. Daddy.
Smells like a soap bar.
Xander, do you see anything that... Where did Xander go? Where did he go? Oh, there he is.
Dada, come with us.
What is that right there?
A sheep.
It's a sheep? I think it's a llama.
Llama, with llama. That's cool.
Xander, isn't this your favorite thing to do ever?
I despise being
Why, though?
any type of big box retail unless it's Home Depot. The idea that you can get anything in the world on one roof makes me really uncomfortable. I don't know. I'm super uncomfortable.
Ooh, a sleigh ride.
Like, I don't even know what we're here for.
Tissue paper.
Do you know where that is in the store?
Yeah, it's over there.
Oh, so let's go there.
Yeah.
How do you get your tissue paper delivered?
Where is the tissue paper? Tissue paper, I found it. White tissue paper. Super dad. If you had to pretend, like, show me a face of like someone that was enjoying what they're doing.
See that?
Smell right there.
It's like a very masculine smell.
Ocean.
What?
Ocean. You just... We could be here a while.
You're doing great, Z. You're doing great.
Am I?
You are.
I feel like I'm failing.
No, you're doing great.
The Lego movie. Is that the Lego movie?
It is.
Oh, duh.
Is that fun?
That? I kept thinking it was saying a different letter. It said G, find Z. It was saying T.
Fun red light game. You have to repeat the noises that your kids are making.
Ah.
Alright, green light, we're done. Alright, here's all of the ingredients we need. So we've got 3 types of tortillas. You've got the big tortilla, like the burrito style, smaller tortillas, soft, and then these hard crunchy tostados. And then as for meats, we're gonna do ground turkey, we're gonna add in some taco seasoning, and then we're gonna do queso, diced tomatoes, iceberg lettuce, sour cream. There's a method to all of this. Xander's gonna do it, and I'll just film him and ask him what to do. Story of my life. I am so full. Those Crunchwrap Supremes are so good. They're so addicting. Ugh, they're so good. You guys have to try them. But I wanted to show you guys my new planner that I found for 2026. I'm not like the biggest fan of the look of it, but I had a problem in the past where I would buy planners based on like how they looked on the outside, and then it made no sense when it came to the layout of the actual planner, and I just like never used it. I would pick them up and throw them away, but I really like this layout. It's got, I think, the perfect amount of simplicity. I like it because it has like a little section for like top priorities, and there's 3 lines, which I really want to focus on like filming and editing 2 to 3 videos a week. So I think that's going to be a good section for my videos. The simplicity of the weekly spread where I can just put like my to-dos and just maybe highlight them as I go. And then I really do like that they have a meal plan too. So like we used to do our meals ahead of time, and it just like made the most sense. We spent less money, we didn't go out as much, and so I think planning out our weekly meals is something I really want to start doing again for the new year. And then the shopping list I'll probably just use as something else, but I just like this spread so much. And like every month has a really simple kind of reflection. Love that they have a word of the month. I love like intention setting. And then it's got a big like monthly spread, and I like that it has monthly goals. I don't know, I really like it. I just think it's super simple. It's like the perfect size too. It's not too big or bulky, and it like folds. Like I like planners that are just kind of flimsy, not like really tough, and you can like fold it around. So it's also got like this little pouch here, so I can put papers in there, which I think is pretty cool. So I really liked the layout. Like I fell in love with the layout more than I did the actual look of the planner, which is fine because I don't really want it to be overly complicated. It doesn't have to look pretty. I just want it to make sense because I actually want to use it this year. I think I'm gonna do a New Year plan with me at some point during this vlogmas. I would love to do it tomorrow. Like I think I'm just mentally in the headspace to like reflect, write out goals, plans, and all that stuff. So maybe we'll do that tomorrow. I don't know. But I think right now I'm gonna just take a very hot, steamy shower, put on some spa music, do all my skincare. I think I'm gonna put some self-tanner on, and I'm just gonna like enjoy a really hefty, like deep, cozy shower to end the week. This looks, oh my god. I'm also talking work. I've got my teeth whitening still, but I really love that shower. Sometimes as females I feel like self-care can be almost like a necessity and like another thing to do to kind of keep up. Self-care can be stressful sometimes, and I just really wanted to make sure that I was enjoying that, and I definitely did. I'm just like really tired right now. That hot yoga knocked me out. That was no joke. I think like all the sweating and like the strength training within it, if I didn't have kids I'd be sleeping all day. Like it was a nap day. Should have been a nap day, but obviously I'm a parent, so no nap. But I appreciate you guys watching till the end. I love you so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.